What kind of books has Marty Kelly written? Marty Kelly mostly writes children's books, and here's a list of books that he has written. Almost Everyone Farts, Santa's Underwear, M is for Money, I'm an Alien and I Want to Go Home, and the Molly Mack series. The first book I'm going to talk about is the book called Almost Everybody Farts. This book is ranged for kids in kindergarten through 2nd grade. The summary of this book is that it addresses the topic of farting. Children find humor on this topic, and this is a rhyming book that is different but a humorous way of introducing farts. The qualities of this book is that it does a good job letting children know that farting is a natural and bodily function, and that everybody does it. Sometimes children get embarrassed about farting, and sometimes children get bullied about farting. This book does a good job of letting children know that everyone farts. A second book of Marty Kelly's is Santa's Underwear. This book is ranged for kids kindergarten through 2nd grade. The summary of this book is that Santa is getting ready for Christmas, and he's getting dressed for Christmas Day. The only problem that Santa is having is he can't find his special Christmas underwear. Santa looks all over the place to find his underwear. He has all types of underwear for different occasions. His reindeer friends end up helping him find his underwear. Some qualities of this book is that it lets children know that sometimes clothes can't be found, and sometimes people can't find their clothes, and that is okay. Luckily, clothes doesn't make the person makes the clothes. This is a lesson that is told through this story.